How to open Windows Media Player Legacy in Windows 11. Hello friends, follow the steps. Click on Start, select Settings, click on System, scroll down, click on Optional Features. Click on View Features, type Media. This is Windows Media Player Legacy app. Check this box and click on Next. Click on Add. Once the application is installed, you can see Windows Media Player Legacy app here. To open this app, click on Search, type Windows Media Player. Click on Windows Media Player Legacy app. Apart from this, you can use the Start menu to open Windows Media Player Legacy app. Click on Start. Select all apps. Scroll down to bottom. Click on Windows Tools. Right click on Windows Media Player Legacy. Select Open. You can pin it to taskbar if you frequently use this app. Also, you can create a shortcut on the desktop. Windows Media Player. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.